The make your own candles from the kit that I showed you in the last video. This is what the box looks like from the front, and this is what it looks like from the back. So now all we're going to do is just open it and see the products that are inside. And when you open it and take that off, this is what it looks like. It's a gold box with a clear casing in the front. We're just going to open that part now. Okay, once that's open, you will see that you get, I'm just gonna take this out to make it easier. Move this out of the way. It comes with this packaging, that's little stickers and designs for your candle jars. You get a package of directions of telling you what to do. I'm going to sit these right here. And inside the kit, you get the wax tips that you use for the candle. You get 3 jars. You get a package of dried flower petals. You get mica powder. Dried flowers again. You're gonna have to get out. I can't get it out. There is, the first mica powder is a purple one. You have a pink mica powder, and then you have a lavender colored one. These are the wicks that are going to go inside the candle. You have 3 of them. And then you also have fragrances. You have 3. One that is called Rose, Jasmine, and Vanilla. You get 3 little sticks to stir and mix everything. 3 for each of the candle jars. And then you get create your and then you get 2 cards that are create your own custom candle cards that you, I guess, will write all your stuff on that says create you. Alright, so in these steps, you're going to need a hot glue gun for the little wicks that you're going to glue at the bottom of your candle containers. And you need a microwavable safe bowl for the wax chips that you're going to melt in the microwave. And we're going to do all of these steps, and we'll come back to show you the finished product. And I'll make sure to put the steps that we're going to be following in the description box for you to follow along. Okay, we just finished making the candles and they've dried. And as you can see, we have this one is jasmine rose, we have vanilla rose, and then we have rose, but it's blue colored. And this is just our little card telling you everything of the candles. And I'm just going to light one to show you what it looks like. And that is what it looks like when it's lit. And they smell pretty well. The one I lit was the vanilla rose one. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy.